36 Isabella Point Drive is located in Port Isabel. It is a 3-story home, with 2 totally remodeled and rebuilt homes on 2 lots. There are 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths. You can separate this home into 2 units if you like. There are deep water covered docks that can accommodate yachts. Take this channel to the Intercoastal Waterway for quick access to the Gulf. Enter here and proceed to the main living floor. Notice the unique handrails in this home made from oars. Oversized picture windows capture the view in the living area, kitchen, and both master suites. Imagine dining here with this view. Great home for entertaining. More seats at the kitchen bar. Wow! Incredible views of the bay and the Causeway. Granite countertops and natural cork flooring in the main level of this home. Very efficient and updated kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Down this hallway is a bedroom, full bath, and elevator. Your own private elevator. The custom tile work here is colorful and uplifting. Tiled walk-in shower. Guest room number 1 has twin beds. It has access to the 2nd floor balcony overlooking the boat docks. There are built-in cabinets for storage. Back through the dining area to the living room. The 2nd floor balcony facing the bay can be accessed from the dining area and the living area. Well-appointed tropical furnishings to convey, with a few exceptions. There is a built-in wet bar with lots of storage. Guest room number 2 has its own bath. The 2nd floor balcony is out this door and overlooks the boat docks. Guest bath number 2 on the 2nd floor. A tiled walk-in shower. These stairs lead to the 3rd floor in the first of the 2 master en-suites. Every stairwell has a unique niche with art. Relax in this 3rd floor living area off of master bedroom number 1. Another wet bar. more great views from one of the 4 living areas in this home. Master ensuite number 1. There is access to the 3rd floor balcony overlooking the docks. Double vanity sinks. A tiled walk-in shower. On the opposite side of this home, proceed to master ensuite number 2. Enter the suite here. Left is to the living area and right leads to the bedroom and bath. There is a built-in wet bar. Master ensuite number 2. Another access to the 3rd floor balcony through this door. An elegant bath which also has 2 vanity sinks. There is also a tiled walk-in shower. Proceed down to the 1st floor. Guest room number 3 on the 1st floor. You could call this floor the captain's quarters. There is a full bath on this floor. The captain's quarters living area. Walk right out to the dock from here. Washer and dryer is located in this closet. Truly a serious fisherman's dream. This has to be the best tackle room in the entire area. Ice maker, reverse osmosis, freezer, soft water system, and much, much more. It has its own washer and dryer. There is a half bath here also. Your covered docks. High roof and deep water. 3 boat slips, 2 with 8,000-pound lifts. Built by an elite builder for himself. No expense or quality spared. Ask your realtor for a list of features and specifications. It will amaze you. A motorized roof vent in the ceiling allows the breeze to blow through the dock area. You won't find anything as amazingly private and unique as this. For more information, contact your realtor.